Alright, to replace the motherboard on HPC 580, first of all, grab something sharp to remove the label from the top. So there will be 4 screws that you need to unscrew to get the motherboard out. And so once you remove them, there is additional 4 screws that you need to unscrew from here, here, and the other side as well. So once you do that, you should get exposed to the motherboard itself, which is located right there. And the power base located right here. So once you remove those screws from the top, you can get the motherboard out. So disconnect the wires, grab the replacement, and put it back together. And this is how you replace motherboard on HPC 580.